Welcome to my video. As the previous video introduced about how to display the switch's VLANs, in this video I added how to configure the VLAN for it. In this video, I show you how to configure automatic VLAN for switch device. You just need to select the interface and VLAN, then the other work will be done automatically. As you can see, the interfaces are assigned VLANs of 1109 and 1123, respectively. Here, I will check again to see if the result is correct. Exactly. Next, here is the code to do this. Consists of 4 parts: input data interface and VLAN. Step 2, telnet to a switch. Step 3, sign in. Step 4, configure VLAN. Step 5, exit. Next, you save the file with the extension VBS. You will find this code in the description of the video. If you use Cisco switch, then refer to this code. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.